Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Today, we're starting the vlog late. It's at nighttime here in the Philippine Islands. It was so hot today that no one could essentially go outside due to the extreme heat. And that's one negative factor here in the Philippines. So during filming, when that time comes, it's going to have to be in the fall. There are only two seasons here, by the way. Extremely hot and then a little cold once it gets into about August. On the upside, we did start receiving some, having people let us look at props that we could possibly use in the experimental horror films. And the whole point here is to save money, just like any other film. With experimental horror films, they need to be as low budget as possible a good bit of the time, you know. And but we're still going to have extreme gore in Morbid Team Entertainment experimental horror films here in the Philippines. So, Annabelle unfortunately is not here today. He's off doing dreadlocks, and that is his specialty, and he's extremely good at it. So that's where he is today. We're looking forward to here again the extreme gore. We have a lot of special effects artists, very skilled special effects makeup artists for the gore here in the Philippines, and thank goodness we got a good list of those artists, and we're definitely looking forward to working with them. Also looking forward to shooting on film, creating all these vintage special effects through the lens of Bolex, 8mm film, some 16mm, giving it that beautiful vintage look as well. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed this video. Do help promote us and push us along by subscribing to the YouTube channel for Morbid Team Entertainment and clicking a like on the videos. Alright, thanks a lot and bye-bye.